Okay, and we're up here. Whew, that's a nice climb. These silos keep me in shape. Hey, this just in. Dad got done washing the buckets up. He's training the milk. He's under a cow. This is the cow I wanted to show you anyway. Hey guys, back home in the shop. Work's all done. I'm with the girls, Rochelle, Chloe, Catherine. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, came here this morning, fired up the silos to feed. This first silo turns on, but nothing's coming out. So we got to go on the inside and figure out what's going on. Probably let it down for the first time after filling it. Let's go. Okay, and we're up here. Whew, that's a nice climb. These silos keep me in shape. They keep you feeling good. When you can stay healthy and exercise and get a good sweat in it, it helps you mentally. I've learned that over the past 20 years of doing this. First glance up here, I see it stuck up there in front of the door. All I'm gonna have to do is I'll let it down. See, it's only down 5 feet, it looks like. So that's why I came on the outside. You climb up that chute, it's just nasty. It's just get it all over your face and your hair. So as long as I can climb up here and I'll just jump in there, get this going, and I'll hop right out. Yeah, basically I just unstuck it, got rid of that, took this door out. That way when this stuff blows through this chute, being that it's only been a week, it's still, this stuff's still pretty fluffy. So sometimes it'll blow, it might lose momentum and it'll fall, and now it can get out. That's what happened. But once this stuff packs in here, it'll be fine. And that stuff will shoot right out of there like an arrow, boom. And you'll be good to go. The bowl wheels were stuck when that happened, so what I'll do is I take, and you gotta fill these in. And I'll pull some feed from here, and I'll pack this right in. So that way when they come back around, they don't hit like a divot and just start burying again. But this looks pretty good, I'm happy with it. I'm gonna pack that in a little more, I'm gonna get out of here. Hey guys, back down, got the system fired up, check it out. She's rolling. There's your needle. Let's give him a little feed, let's do it. Woo, feeling good now. Sometimes I dread going up there, but it's just what the doctor asked for. It's the pain going up, coming down is good. Everything went well up there. I feel good. Sweating keeps you in shape. So let's go. I know my younger brother, my little brother, I say little, he's 6'4", almost 300 pounds. They're in the calf barn with my nephew Jack, my nephew Lance. They're cleaning out hutches and cleaning the baby barn out today. We're gonna get a look at them. It's something Greg takes care of. I take care of the big girls. Yeah, he does a dang good job at it. You got to keep the pens clean so you can keep them healthy. You know, it's like a baby. You got to keep them sanitized. is a special treatment. Carry him right through his room. Alright, where do we want him? Okay, switching gears here. Cody and I are in here milking the cows. I wanted to show you some of these ones that just came in. Here's one here, 33. I'm gonna milk sack on her. Jack's now been assuming calf duties once in a while. He's in here washing down buckets. Welcome back to the channel, Jack. 2. I love it in here. Okay, here's another one. This girl here, she's been in for a couple months, but I wanted to show you. This is at night milking her bag. This girl, she's just a heck of a bag. Young one. Hey, this just in. Chad got done washing the buckets up. He's training the milk. He's under a cow. This is the cow I wanted to show you anyway. Number 96. Yeah, she's got a huge bag. This one here, you can do anything you want to. She's a big baby. That's what I'm talking about. We'll have him put her on in a second. Another one, number 1. He came in with that last one. He's holding strong. Look at that bag. This one here, I'm not going to go touch him because she got a little attitude. Come on in, big girl. Oh, squirting milk right out. 36. Come on in. Take your time, bud. Oh, why not? Wow. Remember that cow I showed you last video, top cow? Look at feeder. He's obsessed with eating. Top cow. 129. Jack trying to get one out. And they won't move, you get low. See that? You spray them. Come on out, big girl. Pull it open. So yeah, we'll get her on. And this one here, I mean, I gotta say, we're proud of this one here. Alright. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, you wouldn't think she'd notice the camera sitting right there? You think these cows are stupid? I don't think so. They're very keen to their surroundings. Very. Hey guys, look who's still milking. Look who's obsessed with the cereal. Hold on. Crazy, man. All she cares about. Bread. They're just ramming in here. They want to come in here. They want to get milk. All right, here. Number 4. She's been in for probably about a month. Look at the bag on her. Bigger, longer teats. That's going to be a problem because they can actually step on them sometimes. But we've been lucky of late. All right, she knows I'm talking about her. Red girl just came in, 193, locking her up. Look at the shine on her. She's going in. One more time. Hey guys, I couldn't help but show you this. This is another black beauty, 190. Look at this. Look at the bag. Look at the gentleness. She's a beauty. Look at the paper. Does that guy look familiar? Yeah, that's me and my daughters. We ended up giving ice cream away through Dairy Queen, 350 cones. Ice cream up. Hold on, I got a squawk. We're moving. Cody got it. Cody Jack. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, 194. She's red. Check her out. Okay, we're still moving along. Jack's, what's he doing? Wiping her off. Doing good. Someone came here to see me. There she is. Rochelle, good to see you. Want to say hi to everybody? I know I'm a little dirty. Okay, we're having a good night.
Good night.
Hey guys, Cody just brought this to my attention. There's 3 guys in here. We're training Jack. All 3 of us are left-handed. Look at him. He's going at it left-handed. He's going at it left-handed. I'm holding the camera with my left hand. I know I showed you this in the last milking video, but this is what it looks like on top. There's 8 stalls all the way down, 8. And it's got an extra one up there. Each stall can let out individually. There's 3 exit ramps. There's only one spot to come in at, right here on my end. Hold on, girls. Check them all out. Waiting patiently. See you in a few, guys. Yeah, I don't know if some of you guys remember this. It was for the ice cream month. Partnered with Dairy Queen, gave 350 cones away. As you can see, the cows, they're not real impressed. Hey guys, we're getting towards the end. I want to show you this cow that just came in. A young powerhouse. Look at the curvature on that. Look at that. Just a beast of a cow. Hey guys, back home in the shop. Work's all done. I'm with the girls, Rochelle, Chloe, Catherine. I wanted to show you, we got some new gear out. It's the Kip Sigler farming shirt. Rochelle's got the Sigler Dairy shirt on. And the girls got the hats on.
Yeah, I'm Kip Sigler.
Yeah, she's like them. Kip Sigler's daughter. We got some brats going. Oh, we have to turn that down. But hey, I want to thank everybody for the support. Get on KipSiglerFarming.com if you want to order some of these new shirts. We partner with Farm Focus out of Nebraska. And we still got our other original shirts with the Sigler Dairy badge. We're still keeping them going. And the Michaela Strong sweatshirt, that's still going. Michaela just got 120 bucks from all the profits on those sold. So keep them going. She's doing pretty well. I'll give you an update on her as soon as I can, but as far as that goes, thanks for the support and see you in the next video. Thanks.